Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is pseudocoelomates have a body cavity, but it is not true coelom. Which one of the following is included in this group? Option A, planaria. Option B, tapeworm. Option C, earthworm. Option D, ascaris. Our correct answer is D, ascaris. Our next MCQ is digestion of which one of the following starts in oral cavity due to action of enzyme present in the saliva? Option A, starch. Option B, cellulose. Option C, fatty acid. Option D, polypeptides. Our correct answer is A, starch, because saliva contain enzyme called amylase, and amylase start digesting starch in the oral cavity. Our next MCQ is food enters from stomach into small intestine through option A, pyloric sphincter. Option B, cardiac sphincter. Option C, semilunar wall. Option D, diaphragm. Our correct answer is A, pyloric sphincter. Our next MCQ is which one of the following or the part of gastric gland which produce hydrochloric acid? Option A, parietal cells. Option B, goblet cells. Option C, chief cells. Option D, zymogen cell. Our correct answer is A, parietal cells. Parietal cells are also called oxyntic cells, and they produce HCl, while the other cells secrete option B, goblet cells produce mucus in the gastric gland, and chief cells or zymogen cell produce pepsinogen, which is converted into pepsin by the HCl. So parietal cells or oxyntic cells produce HCl. Our correct answer is A. Our next MCQ is protein components of food are digested by enzymatic secretions of option A, goblet cells. Option B, parietal cells. Option C, zymogen cells. Option D, oxyntic cells. Our correct answer is C, zymogen cells, because zymogen cells produce pepsinogen, and pepsinogens are the enzymatic secretions only. Our next MCQ is digestive system consists of different layers. The innermost is known as option A, submucosa. Option B, mucosa. Option C, muscularis. Option D, serosa. Our correct answer is B, mucosa. Our next MCQ is in human, the closed sac which surrounds the heart is option A, endocardium. Option B, myocardium. Option C, pericardium. Option D, epicardium. Our correct answer is C, pericardium. Our next MCQ is cardia tendineae, or the fibrous cords attached with option A, cardiac end of stomach valve. Option B, tricuspid valve of heart. Option C, pyloric sphincter of stomach. Option D, eyelids. Our correct answer is B, tricuspid valve of heart. Our next MCQ is bicuspid valve controls the flow of blood from option A, right atrium to right ventricle. Option B, right ventricle to pulmonary artery. Option C, left ventricle to aorta. Option D, left atrium to left ventricle. Our correct answer is D, left atrium to left ventricle. Our next MCQ is carboxyhemoglobin 10 to 20% is formed when carbon dioxide combines with option A, amino group of hemoglobin. Option B, iron part of hemoglobin. Option C, heme portion of hemoglobin. Option D, plasma proteins. Our correct answer is A, amino group of hemoglobin. Our next MCQ is breathing consists of option A, 4 phases. Option B, 3 phases. Option C, 1 phase. Option D, 2 phases. Our correct answer is D, two phases, inspiration and expiration are the two phases that consist in breathing process. Our next MCQ is Bowman's capsule continues as extensively convoluted portion known as option A, peritubular capillaries, option B, proximal convoluted tubule, option C, afferent arteriole, option D, afferent arterioles. Our correct answer is B. Proximal convoluted tubule is a portion that is extensively convoluted portion after the Bowman capsule. Our next MCQ is restriction endonucleases cleave the which of the following of duplex DNA? Option A, nitrogenous base, option B, base sugar, option C, phosphodiester bond, option D, hydrogen bond. Our correct answer is C, phosphodiester bond, because endonucleases cleave the phosphodiester bond of DNA duplex. Our next MCQ is the enzyme which is responsible for the formation of bond between two double-stranded DNA fragments is option A, endonuclease, option B, urease, option C, ligase, option D, heligase. Our correct answer is C, ligase. Ligase is an enzyme that help in the formation between the two double-stranded. Our next MCQ is the organisms of third trophic level are option A, primary consumer, option B, primary producer, option C, tertiary consumer, option D, secondary consumer. Our correct answer is D, secondary consumer. Let's see. At first of all come primary producer, then come primary consumer, then come secondary consumer, and after that come tertiary consumer. So at the third trophic level, secondary consumer are present. Our next MCQ is the ultimate source of energy in an ecosystem is option A, photosynthesis, option B, sun, option C, plants, option D, water. Our correct answer is B. Of course, sun is the ultimate source of energy in an ecosystem.